Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Yay! In its Upside Down or Free campaign, Dairy Queen promises to flip your blizzard around in front of you, or you will receive a coupon good for a free blizzard on your next visit. Yes, even at the drive-thrus.
Take our lead.
Using a phrase Dairy Queen had trademarked in the 1950s, the Blizzard would eventually make its debut in 1985, selling 100 million units in its first year alone. The idea of flipping it upside down before serving, a selling point from the beginning, only added to the phenomenon.
Take our lead.
With the number of sundae, milkshake, and blizzard flavor combinations that are already on the menu, Dairy Queen also has a secret menu. Try out one of these Dairy Queen secret menu items. You might find a new favorite.
Take our lead.
Does that mean DQ treats are healthy? Nope. Even though they have a lower butterfat content, that doesn't mean Dairy Queen products are fat-free or sugar-free. Dairy Queen doesn't currently have any sugar-free or fat-free options on its menu, although there are a few no-sugar added options.
Take our lead.
Get your Blizzard treat served upside down or your next one's free at participating locations. Limit 1 per person. Only the first Blizzard treat is flipped in the drive-thru and on multiple orders.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The independent franchise owner of each restaurant decides whether the Blizzard treats in their location will be served upside down, and if they participate in the upside down or the next one's free promotion.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.